Hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIH daily hacking news series. So we call it as a breaking cyber news or hack talks. So today we are having a lot of news which is related to cyber attack from US, from Russia, from Ukraine. So there's a lot of things that we need to cover today. So let's get right into the video from the first news. It's from Facebook Meta, whatever you call. So researchers basically got approx 100k US dollar, which is approx 80,000 INR. So they got for as a form of bug bounty, and for the normal people we can call it as a researchers got 100k US dollar for hacking Facebook. So their scope was something some lucky researchers have hacked into the Facebook, and instead of getting banned they walked away with 1000 US dollar. This is nice to see hacking actually pay off legally. So this is not something new we are seeing for whoever application contestants for bug hunters. It's something that usually we get into. So what was the bug? So they found an internal server uh, vulnerability that was could hijack their servers or some part actually. So you can see all those things whatever mentions here due to extensive server-side data processing which can exploit multiple securities. So this was the vulnerability which was reported, and this is the person who reported this bug. I guess we know it. Anyways, so what was the meta reaction? So here's the fact check. They have not breaked into us, so they just said they have not breaked into us, and they are happy to pay the bounty. And like if you're still hacking into your neighbor Wi-Fi, if you're a cybersecurity researcher or a newbie, then you need to level up because that is not something we call it as a hacking. All right, this was the first news. Now, if you want to be a bug hunter and want to earn this badass amount, then you can join our training competency program, which can pay you something very great. So just join it. It is going to start within a couple of days. Anyways, this is not a promotion, just a suggestion. Now the next news is something which is related to Russia. So it says pro-Russian hackers no name. The person, this hacking person is spreading from a very long time. So they have targeted Italy again after Zelensky visit to the country. So actually, activists are the people those who are sponsored, those who are hacking for some political reason something. So activists are right now targeting Italy, and revenge is not as sweet as we can see of. So he is behind. So there's a person no name 057. So this is the activist group who apparently hacked or hates Italy now because Zelensky visited there, as per I know. So relation for Italy support for the Ukraine. This was the reason because Italy is right now supporting Ukraine, which is the enemy of Russia, and this is a Russian hacking group. So this hacking group had done a bunch of DDoS attack that have knocked the entire government website. There's a lot of government website of Italy which was down, and they have knocked them actually. So you can see a couple of images. This is a Telegram group, I guess. Yeah, this is the name where usually they post what are things they are doing. So here's the thing. Here's the catch up that you can see. It's in screenshot of server is not reachable or something, which was right now displaying on Italy website. So something which can be called it here as when you can't win a war, why not regret quit digitally? That is what they are doing. Now the next news is related to US. I hope you heard of marijuana, right? So there was a company, cannabis, which is something the pre-product of marijuana. So marijuana dispensary STZ have suffered a data breach actually. This was written on the website. So STG, which is a major weed dispensary right now in the world, I guess. So this is the company name. So customer info, ID, purchase history, everything you have preferred not to be blazed across the internet has been breached according to the report of this news. And the irony is that people thought only the product could mess with the memory, but hackers said, "Hold my beer." So this is what they have done. So the product is going to mess up with your memory, but hackers is always who always rock into the system, and they said, "Hold my beer, guys." So there's an advice: if you are a customer, keep your eyes peeled for steady activities. Okay, so just change whatever inputs, whatever things you have added here. If you have common password on the another portals, like let's say if you had ABCD as a password on this platform, then if you have the similar password on another platform, then change it out as soon as possible. Just keep it an eyes. Now let's say in the next news, it's related to Microsoft. So Microsoft declared war on AI cyber crooks. Actually, Microsoft took legal action against crooks who develop a tool to abuse its AI based servers, right? So there is a drama. Now Microsoft lawyers are taking down hackers who create tools to abuse their AI actually. So what they did, the crooks built tool that could manipulate online platform. Think of it as a chat GPT with an evil twin. So right now, if you are a continuous chat GPT user, there's a lot of GPTs are coming into the market, right? Which you can take benefit of a lot of, even in the chat GPT pro version you will get a section of GPTs where something is offensive GPT or something else, so that you can do, right? You can check out from there, but this is what they are fighting with. The vibe is Microsoft is like, we invented Clippy and we'll define him too as well. What is your takeaway? My takeaway is something, this big tech takes on villains and it's like watching Godzilla versus King Kong fight actually. So grab your popcorn guys, it's something which is ongoing right now. Now the next news is related to Russia once again, yeah, Russia global surveillance shopping spirit. So guys, uh, Russia commercial surveillance tech is spreading across the globe right now. Why it is scary? So these tools are designed for domestic snooping, but are now available to anyone with a fat wallet. If you have a fat wallet, then you can get all those things. So this was said that Russia carves out commercial surveillance success globally. And the catch is security for one country could not mean zero privacy for everyone else. So this is what you need to keep in your mind. And what is the real question that actually goes into my mind is this the digital version of Big Brother or just capitalism doing its thing? This is what you can think of. So guys, that's the thing. Now the next thing and last news is related to a badass country, which is China. So China APT group steals Japan's secret. This is the headline. So the culprit is a Chinese APT group doing what they do best. So they are spying as always. The target is Japanese government agencies and industry, whom they are targeting actually. They have stolen the sensitive data and a lot more things which were related to the government and industrial agencies actually. So at this point, APT group should just have LinkedIn profile actually, where it should be mentioned like experience in data theft, espionage, and running weekends. So this is what going around the world right now. So alright guys, that's all for the today. From hackers getting rich legally to international espionage, the world is never boring right now in the cyber world. So which story made you laugh and cringe and question humanity? Drop a comment below and like this video if you enjoy the sarcasm, and don't forget to subscribe for daily dose of digital drama that we are doing on the videos usually. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and stop using 12345 as a password. So think secure, think VIH. Have a great day. Jai.